Tired of spending money on photo shoots and waiting weeks to get product pictures ready? With SellerPic, you can turn just one photo into hundreds of professional images and videos all in minutes using AI. And today's video, I will take you through a full step-by-step tutorial showing every feature inside SellerPic. So, SellerPic is an AI tool built for online seller, content creators, and brands that want great products, visuals without the hassle. It's designed for platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and even for ad creatives on social media. We are going to explore everything from AI models, image to videos, editing tools, publishing, and integration. So by the end, you will know exactly how to use it. I have also added a SellerPic link in my description along with my 15% discount code. Once you sign up from my link, you will land on SellerPic dashboard. It's really clean, simple, and organized into 4 main sections: image generation, video generation, publisher, editing tools. Everything you need is right here, so you won't have to jump between multiple apps. AI model, image, and product generation. Let's start with one of the most popular feature, AI model image. But how it's really work? Click on the AI model image from the menu, then upload a clear product photo. This could be clothing, shoes, accessories, home decor, electronics, or even packaged food. Once it's uploaded, choose a model type. You can pick from different ages, skin tones, hairstyle, and poses. Then next select a scene style. For example, indoor studio lighting, outdoor street light, beach scenes, festival themes, or even specific brand aesthetics. And when you click generate, SellerPic AI blend your product perfectly into the image, so it looks like it was shot on a real location with a professional model. If your product is wearable, the virtual try-on feature automatically puts it on the model. This works for clothing, hats, glasses, watches, bags, jewelry, and many more. You can generate multiple variations in seconds, and if you are building a full of product catalog, you can log the same model and style to keep every image consistent across your store. And the best part, if you don't want models, you can choose between lifestyle scene. This lets you place your products in realistic setting. For example, a coffee mug on a kitchen counter, maybe a sofa in a modern living room, a perfume bottle on a dressing table. These lifestyle shots are perfect for banners, ads, and product details pages because they help customers imagine the product in real life. Let's take a look at video generation. SellerPic can turn your image or even just a product description into a high quality video. So how it really works? First, you have to click on video section, then choose your video style, product showcase, or lip sync presenter video. For a showcase video, upload your image, select a background, choose animation, and add text overlays. And for lip sync videos, pick an AI presenter style, paste your script, and SellerPic will animate the presenter speaking your word. You can also add background music, voiceovers, and subtitles directly in the platform. The publisher module is where SellerPic really becomes an all-in-one tool. You can plan your content, create images or videos, add caption, hashtags, and description. You can also schedule posts for specific dates and time, publish directly to connected social media accounts or your e-commerce store. This means you don't need separate apps for design, scheduling, and posting. SellerPic does it all from one place. And if you are not sure what design you want, SellerPic has a natural language interface. You simply type in plain words what you're imagining. For example, black leather sneakers on a white background with soft shadows. The AI then creates exactly that. You can tweak your prompts, change angles, lighting, or styles until it matches your vision. And if you run a Shopify store, you can connect SellerPic directly to it. This lets you create, update, and publish product images without leaving your Shopify dashboard. There's no need to download images and re-upload, it's all synced. SellerPic also includes powerful built-in editing features like background removal, delete any background and replace it with a new scene, retouching, adjust brightness, contrast, and fix imperfections. You can also turn a red shirt into a blue, a gold watch into silver without reshooting. And then you can also erase unwanted items from the image. And if your image is blurry, then don't need to worry. You can increase resolution up to 10K for sharper print quality visual. And in one click lets you send your design straight to Canva, where you can add stickers, extra text, or other graphic element. Once done, you can bring it back into SellerPic and continue editing or generating variation. For brands that need a uniform look, you can choose one model and scene style, then apply it to multiple products so your entire catalog matches perfectly. This is especially useful for fashion stores, jewelry lines, or any shop that wants a consistent brand style. And if you ever get stuck, SellerPic offers live human support around the clock. They can guide you step by step through your first product and answer any questions in real time. But who uses SellerPic? SellerPic is used by e-commerce sellers on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, and TikTok Shop. Digital marketers creating ad visuals for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Fashion brands showcasing apparel and accessories. And jewelry designers needing models shot without photo shoots. Content creators making quick, engaging visuals. Even educators and freelancer photographers photographers to speed up creative workflows. That's the complete walkthrough of SellerPic. It's a powerful all-in-one AI tool that can take one simple product image and turn it into a full set of marketing visuals and videos. The link to try SellerPic along with my discount code is in description, so check it out and start creating professional products visuals in minutes. And if you are interested in similar tool like this, then definitely watch this video.